Today we will look at the 369 method of manifestation. How do you manifest your dream life? You use this method to manifest by writing your desires 3 times first, then 6 times, and then 9 times. What are you manifesting? I am manifesting rupees 10,000. I am manifesting rupees 10,000. I am manifesting rupees 10,000. What is your intention? You will write this 6 times in the afternoon. I am receiving 10,000. 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 What is the outcome? Next time you will write this outcome about 9 times. I have 10,000 now in my bank account. 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 So this is the 369 method. Try it and share your feedback.